Good morning, good morning, good morning, you lovely lot. It is nearly 8 o'clock. Tuesday morning, sun is shining. It's all good. Kenzie has his football boots, rugby boots. Excellent, he's not going to get in trouble with school. Managed to get some. I have baby Leo, Beth Finley, and Livy during the day today. And then the other kids, either side of the day. So my busy day, 4 little ones today, 4 little ones, going to keep me on my toes. I'm going to go set up some toys, have another cup of tea. Brendan did actually bring me a cup of tea in bed today. I love it when he does that. But I feel the need for another. And some breakfast. But I'll go set up some toys because they should be arriving any minute. See you in a minute. Hello, you lovely boys and girls. Lovely boys and girls. What are you, boy or a girl?
Boy.
Are you? Okay. And what are you?
Yeah.
You're a girl. We're having a swap, are we?
Yeah.
Okay. I got it wrong. We haven't got Livy today, but we do have Leo coming. Livy comes Wednesday and Thursday. I got my days mixed up. Tasty? I'm having a little snack. Tasty? Pineapple and breadsticks. And a drink. Right. Pip needs a cup of tea. Uh-oh. Chose to do some colouring, haven't you? Yeah. Chose to do some colouring. Here we are, mister. You're trying to push it on. Pop.
Pip, how can we wipe that off?
You can't wipe it off once it's on there.
Why?
Because once it's on there, it's on there. You can't rub it out. It's not like a pencil. Do you want me to open it again? Pop. There you go. You're going to do some colouring. Good boy. Right, we ready? So my friends have sent us some post. So Daryl and Keith, my friends, are in Cornwall. This is Cornwall. Can you see this? This bit here at the bottom. So it's in England, but that bit at the bottom is the very furthest point at the bottom of Cornwall, at the bottom of England. It's quite a long way away. It takes about 6-7 hours. So, what's this?
This puzzle.
A puzzle. Would you like to do the puzzle with me? Yeah. It's Port Leven. That's a place in Cornwall. Baby wipes, yeah. Thanks, buddy. So, what can you see on this puzzle? Boats, yeah. Choke up, chicken. That's a church. So Cornwall is right down by the sea.
Say choke up.
Choke up because he's coughing. Are you having a clean up? He's using the baby wipe to clean himself up. Okay, so this is the flag of Cornwall. A flag, yeah, that's the Cornish flag. And it is called the Cornish flag of St. Piran. So do you remember when we had St. George's Day? You might not remember. And we did dragon fighting and we pretended we were knights. And we have the English flag, which is white with a red cross. And we celebrate St. George's Day. Well, St. Piran is the patron saint of Cornwall. Apparently he floated over from Ireland on a millstone. Oh. I would have thought a millstone would sink, but you never know with these patron saints. They do magic things. So that's their flag. It's black with a cross on it. Are you having a look at these as well? Come and sit up here, Finley, and then you can see. So we've got the flag. We've got a map. Ooh.
Died.
What's this?
I don't die.
That's an island, look. An island.
There's some water in it.
There is, that's the sea. Doesn't it look beautiful? Are you climbing up? Come on then, buddy, up you come. And a beach. Look at that beach. I like that beach.
How can we get in the sand?
How would you get to the sand?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, Finley. Climb, buddy. Any other day, you'd be up. Not today. How would you get to the sand?
Yeah.
You'd probably have to walk down some steps. Can you see? Oh my goodness, I think I can see a cave. You see a cave? Do you think the pirates went in there? There was quite a lot of pirates in Cornwall. It was a good place for smuggling. It's like bringing in illegal treasures.
Why is there water there?
Why is there water? Because that's the sea.
There's monsters in the sea.
There's monsters in the sea. What sort of monsters do you think are in the sea?
Sorts of ones in the cave.
They're in the cave, are they?
Okay, where is that one you think I did?
It's probably seaweed. Maybe I should tell Daryl and Keith there's monsters in the sea, so they need to be careful, yeah? I didn't know about the monsters. Yeah.
Why is it there?
Why is what there?
How can we get down? We're gonna sink if we go down here.
You're going to sink? What, in the sand?
Yeah.
No, you'd be all right. Right, this person here is King Arthur. What do you think of this guy?
That's bad one.
He's a bad one?
Yeah.
No, King Arthur was good. And he had a friend who was a magician called Merlin.
Yeah, and he's a monster.
He's a monster, is he?
Yeah.
He looks a bit like a ghost there. But King Arthur was born in... Do we have a picture of his castle? There. That castle there in Tintagel.
Yeah.
It's a bit broken down now. What's what?
Was that from the other here?
Oh, that might be the same cave. I don't think it is the same cave. Thanks. It's a different cave, that one. This is Merlin's cave.
Is that a picture of there?
Is where a picture?
That picture.
No, that's a different beach. This is the pool. This pool here, that one there, is where King Arthur threw his sword. There was a lady in the lake that apparently gave King Arthur a special sword, and that's the sword. And then it was returned to the lake. I think when Arthur died. Whoa! Oh my goodness, Finley's.
What's in that cave there?
What's in this cave?
Yeah,
That cave there is where Merlin was, where King Arthur met Merlin. Finley, please come round. Come round here and sit with us.
What's in the tunnel?
What's in it now?
Yeah.
Probably crabs and things. Would you like me to show you a video? My friends have put a video up. Do you want to see inside the cave on my friend's video? Would you like to do that? And look, apparently this is the grave. King Arthur's grave. Where he's buried. That must be his tombstone. We need to do this puzzle in a minute, don't we?
Yeah.
Finley's come to join us. Right, let me show you the video of what's inside the cave and then we'll do the puzzle together, yeah? What do we say to Daryl and Keith for our lovely postcards? Thank you. Say have a nice holiday because they're still on holiday.
Have a nice holiday.
Have a nice holiday. Right, so maybe we should start with some of the edge pieces. Can you?
Like that?
Not quite like that, no, sweetie. Can you find any that's got writing on like that one?
Yeah.
Have we got any pieces? Oh, look, here's a piece with writing on. So maybe those two go together. We make the writing go together. That bit with that bit. Do they match?
Yeah.
That's it, push them down together. Push. What about this piece over here? Look, that's got...
Does it match?
oh no, we need one that's got a knobbly bit sticking out, don't we?
It does match.
No, because look, it can't join. It needs a knobbly bit. Oh, what about this one? Try that one first. Push that one on. You've got a lot to say, Finley. Oh yeah, I think that's the piece, isn't it? Yay, that's it. Now try that one. Now try your other piece. Good job. That's it. And then I think we need that end corner piece. That piece over there, look. You are doing so well. Maybe we need to turn it round, Beth. I think it's upside down, sweetie. Maybe turn it and turn it again. Yeah, try it. Yeah, that way round. What do you think? Fits okay?
Yeah.
Good job, Beth.
And one last one.
One last piece. Did well on that puzzle. Hello. Hi.
I did it.
Beth, that's amazing. You are so good at that puzzle. So that is Port Leven in Cornwall. You're in a good mood. So many things to explore.
He can have this one.
No, sweetie, thank you. That's not for babies. You take it back into the playroom, please. We just, yeah, but we only have the baby toys in here, don't we? So that he doesn't eat the wrong things. Baby toys are safe. Is that a good ball?
Can I put this in here?
I'd rather you took it into the playroom, please.
Why?
Because I don't want him to get hold of things he's not allowed. He's got a ball. And Spider-Man. Clever boy. Who are you talking to on the phone? Who's on the phone? Who are you going to call? Ghostbusters. Oh, are you chatting to him? Are you friends? Oh, he's just going to sit on me. Oh, boink, 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 boink. Boink, 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 boink. You've got pen all over your face, Finley. I think someone's been drawing. You're the octopus. There are no monsters in the sea. What other questions did you want to know? Oh, there's monsters, is there? He just needs to be more careful, does he? What was it you said about sinking in the sand? You wanted to know, do you sink in the sand, didn't you?
Yeah, can you turn it on again?
I'll ask him that question. And what was the other question you asked? How did you get onto the beach, wasn't it? How do you get down the cliffs onto the beach?
Can you do it again?
Shall I send him those messages and then he can tell us the answer?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do that now. Oh, who's made all this yummy dinner? That looks really tasty.
I did.
Beth did it. Wow. Is this a restaurant, Beth?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Looks really tasty. What a nice day it's turning out to be. Sun's coming out.
Eat it.
Is this nice? Oopsie. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. So tasty. You're only half interested in this, aren't you? Smiley boy. Not a lot of milk going in there, is there? No, you're just too busy just chewing it and smiling at me. Beautiful. We've grown an attachment, haven't we? To keep this little bundle of joy happy and smiling.
Happily.
Yeah, he wants to see what everyone's doing, doesn't he? He's busy. You lot are having your dinner, your lunch. Picky lunch. We're just chilling, aren't we? You and me.
But can I see the picture?
Hey. Baby, have a look outside. Oh, butterfly. Butterflies. Flowers. Flowers. How does that feel? Oh, nice. Feel good? What about the green over here? Oh, the green. The bushes. The blue sky. What's this, look? Bamboo. Bamboo. They're nice. Bamboo. What's this? Honeysuckle. Take that cloth in now. I think that cloth's dry. I feel nice. They're nice. Fast asleep. I've just put kettle on for a cuppa. Beth's getting cosy. A bit of telly time. And Finley. Oops. Oh, he is asleep. He's kicked his blankets off, but he's asleep. Night, sweetie. Right. Cup of tea. Are you on baby duty, Lucy? Are you doing the clip, mister? You do realise you can do it up, but you can't undo it.
You can only do it up so it's not like in properly.
Oh, really? Such a nice day, Lucy. It is. Look how blue sky. I can't see a cloud anywhere.
I can.
Are they behind the house? Nowhere. In your imagination. Go on then, skip. Show me your best skipping.
It's concrete, so it hurts.
Yes, that's true. Actually, it's better on grass. I'm not sure you'll be able to skip in a trampoline. Give you some extra bounce, that's for sure.
It's harder.
Yeah, I can imagine it probably would be. And I imagine it would all get caught up on the sides of the trampoline.
I'm not even jumping.
Good try. Are you stuck now?
My legs are working.
Uh-oh. What is occurring with you? What is this?
I mean chicken.
What, it's the head growth. What's that going on? What are you doing? Are there people on the other end of that?
Mm-hmm.
Hi, people. They're not talking to me. No, your mother's a weirdo.
There's a crazy lady shouting at you, Dom.
Hi, Dom. How are you?
It's
What's wrong with that bit?
hard.
Do you need all your food soft and mushy, Brendan?
No, just text it. You're not
Are you a little tired? Are you? You're a sleepy bunch.
Eat that, Finley.
So what have you got, Kenzie Bear?
Egg and cheese.
It's like a breakfast burrito-y thing.
Breakfast.
My top has some
Cheese and scrambled eggs. Nice. Mmm. This one's the toasted one. You had the first one non-toasted, didn't you? We have kind of smoked out the kitchen. Ew, gooey cheese. Nice. Go on then, test it. I want to see if you like it toasted. Because we did one non-toasted and one toasted, didn't we? And then you can decide which one's the best. What do you think? Good. Don't have a preference. Which one?
This one. Better.
You prefer this one because it's got melted cheese?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Cheese is really good and it sticks to the top of your tongue. I get the McDonald's bacon and cheese flatbread.
Oh, right, okay.
It's so cheesy, bite into it. It gets stuck to the top of your
Oh, right.
mouth.
Sticky cheese. Oh, God, then I'll have a bite. Hold on.
That's a big bite, Hitler.
Mm-hmm. Mmm.
Like when she says, can I take a sip?
Yeah, it does stick to your mouth.
What are you doing, Finley?
Hugging my leg? Oh, no, it's playing with the buttons on my leg. I've got buttons on my jeans.
Oh, yeah,
That's good, Kenzie. Right, you lovely lot. I'm going to go now. I have finished work, which means I can go Pokemon hunting. Pokemon hunting on a Tuesday. It's like it's unheard of. But new Pokemon came out. Kenzie. New Pokemon. Why is no one as excited as I am for new Pokemon?
Because I already know what all they are.
Well, I know what some of them are, but I haven't got them. Right, I'm going to go catch Pokemon. I'll see you lovely lot tomorrow. Thanks for watching.